locality of Daanbantayan, the individuals face many problems as they struggle to rise after the storm. One of these is in their health aspect. It got harder for these residents to face their health concerns due to their damaged health station. Because of this, Intellicare and Philippine Business for Social Progress partnered up for Project New Dawn, a collective initiative to help out Filipinos who were greatly affected by Typhoon Yolanda. The team of Intellicare and PBSP first traveled to Daanbantayan to have the turnover of the health station they've helped restore and provide a medical mission for the residents. Teams then traveled to Daanbantayan the next day for the turnover and medical mission. The barangay health stations are fully repaired and restored. The residents can now seek initial medical attention in their health stations.
So right now, na okay na yung facility. So the basic health services, kaya na namin ibigay ngayon dito.
Itong barangay health station, definitely, malaking tulong ito. Personally, para sa akin, health is wealth. So, in that sayings lang, malaki talagang bagay ang health station.
This partnership through Project New Dawn brought joy to the residents of both barangays.
Oh, nindot. Ayaw nga nanay health center niya para dangop dita. Komportable ta sa atong pagkuhan niya.
Oh, ayo ang health center. Salamat. Ang baryo.
As we have compassionately lent our hands to the residents of Daanbantayan, we were not just able to restore a physical aspect of the barangay, their health station, but we were also able to bring back the smiles of every resident as they continue to rise from the strongest typhoon that affected their province.